Hi, I'm Bob with Purdue MEP. The topic for this module is selecting technology solution providers. Selecting the right technology solution provider to install a new technology at your manufacturing facility is a critical decision that can significantly impact your company's efficiency, productivity, and long-term success. Here are some steps you can take to ensure you choose the right solution provider. Step 1. Clearly define your requirements. Start by defining your needs in a project requirements document. This process is described in detail in one of our earlier modules. Consider the long-term growth of your facility so you can choose a technology that will scale with your needs, and make sure the chosen provider has experience in supporting upgrades or expansion. Step 2. Research the potential providers. Once you understand your requirements, you can turn to a trusted industry advisor, such as your local MEP or Manufacturing Extension Partnership, for input and information on potential solution provider options. Or you can do the legwork yourself. MEP centers often work with a variety of technology experts and solution providers, so they may have valuable insights on which vendors could be a good fit for your company's needs. You may decide that you would rather investigate potential technology providers on your own. If so, it's important to remember the following best practices. Look for technology providers with experience in your industry and with your specific process or application, like sanding, dispensing, welding, etc. Providers who understand your specific challenges and needs will be more valuable. Research the history and reputation of potential vendors. Look at case studies, customer testimonials, and industry references to get a sense of their credibility and reliability. Determine if the provider is committed to staying up to date with the latest technology advancements and can provide solutions that won't become quickly obsolete. Step 3. Evaluate the provider's technical capabilities. The proposed solution should be flexible enough to integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. Providers should offer customization options to meet your specific needs. Ensure the new technology can integrate with your current infrastructure, such as legacy systems, existing machinery, and data systems. The provider should offer strong integration support. Verify that the solution adheres to industry standards for security and regulatory compliance. When speaking with a solution provider's sales representative, ask for specific examples of similar deployments. Don't ask, "Can you do this?" whatever this is, but "Have you done this?" or "How often have you done this?" Step 4. Consider support and service. Assess the provider's commitment to long-term support. They should offer timely troubleshooting, training, maintenance, and customer service. The provider should also offer comprehensive training for your staff. Look for solutions that are user-friendly or come with easy-to-understand manuals or digital tools. Check the provider's track record for offering post-installation services like system upgrades, patches, and maintenance agreements. Step 5. Assess the cost and ROI. While price is a critical factor, the long-term value and return on investment, or ROI, matter more. We discussed how to calculate ROI and how to define a business case in some of our previous modules. Some providers offer flexible payment options, leasing, or subscription models. If upfront costs are a concern, consider these options. Step 6. Evaluate their project management capability. Do their personnel have training in project management skills? Do they have a structured plan for installation and implementation? Consider project timelines, milestones, and how they plan to minimize disruptions to your operations. Ask for specific examples of how they have managed projects with other customers. Step 7. Visit other facilities. If possible, visit other manufacturing facilities where the provider has implemented similar technologies. This can give you insights into the system's effectiveness and how the provider handles installation and support. Talk with other manufacturers who've used the same provider for valuable insights into the provider's strengths and weaknesses. Step 8. Request pilot testing. If possible, ask for a pilot phase before committing to a full-scale installation. This lets you test the system's performance in your environment and make adjustments if necessary. By following these steps and asking the right questions, you can identify a technology solution provider who can deliver a solution that fits your manufacturing facility's needs while providing strong support throughout the life cycle of the technology.